35, we're going to talk about writing decimal numbers as fractions, as well as reading and writing decimal numbers. So the first problem says a quart is 25 hundredths gallons. Write 25 hundredths as a fraction. It's very easy to write decimals as fractions. Whatever is the last place value, so here I have hundredths, that's what my fraction is going to be over. It's going to be over 100. And then whatever number is there, that's what I'm going to write on top. So 25 hundredths, exactly how I said it. Okay, I need to reduce this. Reduce this 1/4 by dividing by 25. So we're just going to write it as whatever the last place value is. So whether it's tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, that's going to be our bottom number. And then whatever number is after the decimal point, that's what I'm going to write on top. A kilometer is about 6/10 of a mile. Write 6/10 as a decimal number. Well, I know I'm going to start with 0 because there isn't a whole number there. 6/10. This is nice because tenths is one of our decimal place values. So I'm just going to put 6/10. I only need to go to the tenths place value, so that's what's on the bottom of my fraction, and then write what number's on top. So 6/10. The length of a football field is about 57 thousandths miles. Write 57 thousandths with words. So write 57 thousandths. Remember, I'm adding this TH there. Okay, that means we're after the decimal point. If I write thousands without the TH, that's on the left side of the decimal point. When I add that TH, it goes to the right side of the decimal point. In inches, 2 and 54 hundredths centimeters. Use words to write 2 and 54 hundredths. 2, and write my number, that's before the decimal point. For the decimal point, I write the word and then 54 hundredths. 54 hundredths. Again, I added that TH. Okay, to make it after the decimal point. Write 21 hundredths as a fraction and as a decimal number. So as a fraction, remember, it's in hundredths, so that's what I'm going to write on the bottom. Your 21 goes on top. Now, you have to think about, can we reduce this? We cannot, because 21 has 3, 7, and 21 as factors, and 100 does not have any common factors with that. So that's going to be the answer for A. B, right, is a decimal number, well, 21 hundredths. Okay, hundredths, I need to fill in 2 spots, because that's where my hundredths ends. I can just fill it in. It's at 21. So that will be my decimal answer. 0 and 21 hundredths. One thing we'll get to more later on, but what if it was 21 thousandths? Okay. Well, I can draw lines to know that I need to fill in those all the way to thousandths. Now that 21, I need to start on the right side, just like as we're writing numbers. Okay? So if I wrote it here, I need to fill in the blank missing one with the 0, and that makes it 210 thousandths, or the same as 21 hundredths. Okay, so I need to start on the far right, and then fill in left all the way to the decimal point with zeros. Now I have 21 thousandths. So just something to keep in mind for later on. Write 15 and 2/10 as a decimal number. So I see my word and, so that's going to be my decimal point. Anything before that, I write out to the left of the decimal point, so I have 15 and 2 tenths. Okay, I know I only need to go to the 10th spot, so write my 2 in there. There's my decimal number. Go ahead and do the practice set. There are a bunch of problems for the practice set today, but they should be quick and easy. So go ahead, go through and do those. If you have any questions, bring them to class so we can go through them.